Welcome to our financial prelude, where we dive into the latest buzz from the market news. In the world of metals, NALCO is under the spotlight, with a clutch of brokerages remaining optimistic about its long-term story. Expectations are high for the company to benefit from novelist capex over time, while Jefferies, Motilal Oswal, and JM Financial have reiterated their buy views. Kotak Institutional Equities has an add stance. However, Nuvama recommends a hold and has cut the price target. Meanwhile, in today's trading session, we witnessed significant activity. NALCO's price action was accompanied by strong volumes, with nearly 3.60 crore shares changing hands on the NSE around 10:15 am. The total traded value of the shares stood at $528.56 crore, breaking the stock's 5-session losing streak. But it's not all sunshine in the market. Paytm shares have been under pressure, plunging 10% to hit a 52-week low. Analysts advise avoiding the stock, citing concerns over FIs dumping R7k crore worth of Paytm shares before the RBI ban. Investors have lost Rs 26,000 crore in just 10 days. In times like these, seasoned investors like Ashwini Agarwal suggest holding some cash as a deeper market correction may be possible. Recent US inflation data has nullified global bond gains since December, following initial optimism spurred by the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate cuts. The Bloomberg Index of Global Debt has plummeted 3.5% this year, wiping out all gains since the 12th of December. Treasury 10-year yields surged to 4.31% in Asia, mirroring Japan's climb. The slump intensified after Fed Chair Jerome Powell rejected rapid easing expectations, culminating in a delay of the first Fed rate cut until July, prompted by stronger than expected US January inflation data. Bosch Limited, they've declared an interim dividend of 205 rupees. The record date for this dividend is the 23rd of February 2024. National Aluminium Company Limited, they've announced the payment of the second interim dividend of 2 rupees, with the record date also set for the 23rd of February 2024. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, an interim dividend of 7.92 rupees has been declared, and again, the record date is the 23rd of February 2024. SULA Vineyards Limited, they're offering an interim dividend of 4 rupees. The record date for this is the 21st of February 2024. Dynamatic Technologies Limited, they've declared an interim dividend of 5 rupees, with the record date set for the 23rd of February 2024. Zhanging Solutions Limited, they're paying out their second interim dividend of 15 rupees. The record date is the 23rd of February 2024, and payment is due on or before the 14th of March. India Nippon Electricals Limited, they've declared an interim dividend of 10.25 rupees, with the record date set for the 23rd of February 2024. Nicco Parks and Resorts Limited, they've announced their third interim dividend of 0.20 rupees. The record date is the 27th of February 2024. And payment is expected on or before the 13th of March. Career Point Limited, they are offering their second interim dividend of 1 rupees. The record date for this dividend is the 23rd of February 2024, with payment due on or before the 14th of March. Modison Limited, they've declared an interim dividend of 0.50 rupees, with the record date set for the 23rd of February 2024. Bodhi Tree Multimedia Limited. They may consider a proposal for the declaration of an interim dividend on the 16th of February 2024. Taparia Tools Limited. They've declared an interim dividend of 20 rupees, with the record date set for the 24th of February 2024. Tidewater Oil Company, India, Limited. They've announced their second interim dividend of 12 rupees, with the record date set for the 22nd of February 2024. Kaveri Seed Company Limited. They fixed the record date for their buyback offer at 725 rupees, with the record date set for the 23rd of February 2024. Affordable Robotic and Automation Limited. They've approved a rights issue at a price of 450 rupees in the ratio of 46,439 for 10.6 lakhs shares. Swiss Military Consumer Goods Limited. They're raising funds through a rights issue up to 50 crores. The record date will be notified later. Mitsu Chemplast Limited. They've approved the record date to receive RAI in the rights issue. The record date is the 17th of February 2024. VMS Industries Limited. They've approved a rights issue up to 2,800 lakhs. The record date will be announced later. Scanpoint Geomatics Limited. They've approved a rights issue at a price of 5 rupees in the ratio of 1:1. The issue period is from the 28th of February to the 7th of March, with the last date for enunciation on the 1st of March. The record date will be announced later.